Since Trump took office, people have been posing as ICE agents because it's fucking simple. When you have a law enforcement agency who is going around apprehending people with no warrant, no identification, and covering their face with masks, it's not very hard. In Raleigh, North Carolina, somebody posed as an ICE agent, threatened somebody at a motel room in order to get in, kidnap them, and then grape them. In Brooklyn, New York, somebody posed as an ICE agent and tried to kidnap and grape somebody in broad daylight. In Florida, a woman posed as an ICE agent in order to kidnap the ex-girlfriend of her boyfriend. To do so, she wore a t-shirt with ICE written on it. She had a radio, a van, and a business card from the sheriff's department. She threatened to deport the victim, who was going through legal processes to be a citizen. And since she was in fear, she got into the van, but eventually found out that this is not ICE and escaped. Indian student attending the Indiana University of Bloomington was scammed out of $5,000 in Apple gift cards. They were contacted by someone claiming to be ICE. They were given a name, a badge number, and a phone number. And she looked it up and noticed that that person and the phone number were on the government website. So these scammers were able to spoof that phone number. She was here on an F-1 visa, and the scammers told her that she was breaking immigration law and that she needed to do these things in order to get out of it, basically being blackmailed. She was also told that her phone was being monitored and that if she hung up and called somebody else, then she would be arrested. And with today's climate, all immigrants are in fear, so they're just going to comply. There are so many cases out there of this shit going on. Plus, there's ICE agents posing to be utility workers. With all of this happening, nobody can trust any federal law enforcement. And if you don't have an appointment with a utility worker, do not invite anybody in your house that you don't know and that you don't have an appointment for them to be there. Always make them show you a warrant. Always tell them to identify themselves. You must be vigilant on proof of identity because there is so much crap going on out there because this government is doing things in the shadiest shit way they can.